alcohol. I don't think the sanitizer is this side. Bloom High Energy Pre-Workout. Yes, sure. I thought you already ordered it.
No, I only do the fingernails.
Ah, patay ng nail cutter. Yung nail cutter ay, how much is this? $12. Mahal ng nail cutter. And the nail file. The
I
file.
need one of those. Those will be here Monday. But if you want some, there's some right there. The mini one.
I like just the simple one, those right there. The tiny. The red thing.
Well, those will be there Monday.
So what is this? Nail strengthener. Nail file buffer. Ganda. Mga mga fake nails. Hindi siya pwede sa akin kasi naghuhugas ako ng plato. Na, let's get the curtain. Oh, here. Bili tayo ng kurtina mga maring para sa kusina. Look, those are small. Small window. $12. The blue. Oh, this is nice. $9 siya mga maring ang kurtina. At ito din, ang ganda ng design. So, may maliit sa taas at ganito sa baba. Siya. Or this one, brighter. This one.
Yeah, but we don't need this sham thing. I just need a short curtain.
Then we're gonna keep the top. There's no other curtain here. Just like this.
Alright, well then just pick one.
So this is the right size?
Yeah.
Oh, we're
It's
getting...
got to be 36 inches in length. And the 228s, there's two of them together. So that's only one.
$9. Ganda ng mga cortina, Marine.
I need bread.
Yeah. We need to get bread. Ganda ng kanilang mga pang storage. Ice tray. Glass jar. Pang brush. Grabe, ang bilis ng kasama ko, nawala na. And the long bread.
Do we need one more hot dog? No.
Maybe one. Sarap ng mga bread. Ah, look at this. Hawaiian sweet. $7. That's expensive. Para siyang ano, bagong bayan. smells so good.
All they did was just rearrange shit. Move
Yeah.
that stuff down here and that stuff there.
Yeah, it's confusing. Oh, right here. The cinnamon swirl. Sit.
You know what the bacon?
Lily still got milk.
Huh?
I wish there's a pistachio ice cream.
Hmm?
Pistachio ice cream. Vanilla.
They carry it, but you have to look for it.
Yeah, there's coffee ice cream. Chocolate. Let me see. Oh, matcha. Try natin tong ano, matcha green tea na ice cream. Oh, I found it. Kita ko na si pistachio. Ito na siya. Found one. Pistachio and matcha. Tayo ng saging. Yellow. That's a lot of croissant.
Well, one for you, one for Riley.
Ang cute ng kanilang mga dress, mga maring. Ang ganda ng kulay, may white. Kano ito? $14. Tsaka ano, padded na siya. So, di na kailangan ng mag-bra. Masikip kasi pag mag-bra, maring. Ganda oh. Tignan nyo, mga maring. Wow. Nice. Ganda oh. Wow. Pang summer, mga marine. Ganda. Meron pa oh. $38. Grabe naman ito. Cute. Naku, siya rin. Ito oh, ang top. Wow, grabe, ang laki. Cute ng top. Pang maternity. Ito yung mga dress dito. Yan siya. Three Sisters na dress. $11. Kaso ang laki ng dito niya oh. Sa arm part. Ano siya, baga kalustrid siya. Ganda din dito mga maring oh. Ito oh, long dress. $14 ang long dress. Ito siya. Magandang color. Natapos din kami sa loob mga maring. Ang dali lang namin kasi wala na tayong time na magtagal doon. Kung ano ang kailangan, yun lang talaga. So may nakita kami dalawang babae doon na hindi nagbayad. At yung mga ano ng Walmart ay deadma lang. Well, wala na silang magagawa doon. Pero lumabas lang siya na parang wala lang. Tapos yung ano, worker sa Walmart ay wala lang din. Dead man na lang. So, ganun lang talaga dito mga maring. Wala silang magagawa. Ayan, kain tayo mga maring. Anong oras na ba? Ang init. Grabe pa, bago-bago ang panahon. Malamig, mainit. Hindi ko na maintindihan. So, ayan, meron kaming bumili kami doon sa Walmart ng deli. So, ito siya ay $4. Yung ganitong set. Manok, mac and cheese, tapos jalapeno peppers. So, let's go eat mga maring. Well, they say that they can't do anything about it. They just leave you unless you stole $1,000 up, more than $1,000.
No, that's in other states. Here, your ass walk out of there with a candy bar and go to jail.
Oh, here in Georgia. Well, I guess they don't want to deal with it. So.
No, she was a little slick about it. I give it that.
The girl that was there, at the corner, there's two girls that were talking.
When everybody was in their own little world doing their own thing.
Yeah, I don't want to deal with it. I'm tired.
And that old lady's probably like, I don't get paid enough for that shit. I don't give a fuck.
We're home mga maring. Ito na ang dress na nabili ni Maring. Ayan. Ganda siya. Cute. Ayan. Dress si madam. Wow. Cleavage mga maring. Ganda ng dress. Let's try the curtain if it fits. Uy, how many curtain is this? Nilagay ko dito sa bintana dahil nawala na yung blinds dyan. Tinanggal ko na dahil nasira mga maring at hindi ko nalalagyan ulit ng blinds kasi yung mga langaw. Dyan sila nagsuksok. Dyan sila nagtatambay tapos tinataihan nila yung blinds. So, kortina na lang para malabhan. Okay. I stabbed myself. Oh, it hurts. What in the world? It jumped.
What were you trying to stick it in? The top one or the middle one?
The middle one.
Yeah. Damn.
See?
I don't know about the stabbing part. I don't know how heavy you were trying to get it in there. Hold it off. Been impaled by a damn curtain.
That's nice. It's like a canvas. It's not a cotton.
If you wash it one time, it'll be not as stiff.
Yeah. It'll turn soft. We have to open it now. It's dark.
Well, here, just
Clip it here. I'll get another clip. Nakabili ako ng avocado, pero ang avocado nila mga maring ay ang titigas pa lahat, so kailangan ko pa siyang pahinugin. Dahil lahat parang hilaw pa. This in the freezer. I lose weight in the Philippines. Because we will walk a lot. Walk and walk. And we will eat vegetables. So, mga maring, ay nag-start ako 2 days ago. Nag-exercise at para naman bumaba ang aking timbang. Pero ito si Sir ay bumili ng donut. Hindi ako pumapayat dahil sa tuwing nag-exercise ako ay bumibili siya ng mga ganito. Pero wala akong choice, kailangan ko siyang kainin. Dahil sayang. Ayoko masayang ang pagkain. Kain tayo mga maring barbarian donut. What are you doing?
Put these dishes to the side.
Why? What are you doing?
So they can get washed, bro.
Oh, you're gonna wash the dishes?
No, I'm just organizing it for you.
Oh. A jam will be with it. Ganito siya mahugas ng plato, mga maring. Lagay siya ng tubig sa sink. Ang daming sabon din. So, nilulunod niya lahat ng plato dyan sa tubig na may maraming sabon. Sinusoak niya. Ganyan siya naghuhugas ng plato. Pero ako, hindi ko ginagawa yan. Diretso ko na nilalagay yung sabon sa foam. I have to clear this here first. Why'd you put it there? Document that you are washing dishes. Gamit niya mga maring na pangpunas. What do you call this? Dishwash?
Dishcloth.
Oh, dishcloth. Kasi ayaw niya yung yung foam. Yung ganito. You don't like this one, right? You don't like using this.
I've been using a dishcloth ever since I was 7 years old, 6 years old.
6 years old. Ayaw niya ng foam kasi pabalik-balik daw yung paggamit tapos may mga germs daw. Ginagamit niya yung dishcloth kasi after na gamitin ay lalabhan. So, bagong dishcloth yung magagamit all the time sa paghugas ng plato kasi pag foam, syempre ulit-ulitin natin yung paggamit ng foam tapos naka-display siya sa sink, prone siya sa germs, mga bacteria. Pero ayoko ng dishcloth kasi hindi masyadong bumubula yung
That's why
sabon.
you use dishcloth, then wash the dishcloth. You don't use it over and over again.
Yeah, that's why we wash it after using. We only use it once.
Yeah, you use it once, wash it. You don't leave it in the sink.
There might be some bugs crawling on the foam. Puli-puli lang kami sa paghugas ng plato, mga maring.
Oh, got a mouse in your hand, though.